Hello, monsters! Make a new word by changing one sound. But which sound must we change? N or p, nop. Change this word into top. T or p, top. Change this word into tip. T-I-P, tip. Change this word into T.E.S. T-E.S, T.E.S. Change this word into tas. T-A-S, tas. Change this word into tan. T-A-N, tan. Change this word into san. S-A-N, san. Change this word into sas. S-A-S, sas. Change this word into pass. P-A-S, pass. Change one of the sounds yourself now to make a new word. What will you make? Great job, monsters! We're getting good at this phonic stuff. Toodaloo! See you soon!